present over here. So today I am Ms. Priya Tripathi signing for you to give presentation on communication and education topic. But before revealing my topic, I would like to give you a hint. So today we are going to talk about a model through which we can predict a person's health according to the way he behave or according to the belief he have. So yes, today we are going to talk about health belief model. So what is a model? A model is an object through which we can understand complex topic very easily. For example, let's meet Mr. Dev and his teacher, and here's what they are talking about. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Sir, I am having difficulty while understanding about the planet Earth. What kind of difficulty you are having? Sir, how does this Earth looks like? Son, it is round in shape and it is having much more blue color. Son, look at this globe. This is how our Earth looks like. Thank you, sir. So, as we have seen that Mr. Dev and his teacher was talking about the planet Earth, and just by telling him that our Earth looks like a globe, Mr. Dev was able to understand that how this Earth looks like. So, this is how a model makes everything easy. A model makes every complex concept very easy. Now, the first two word of our topic is health belief. So, health belief is the attitude or perception about health to an individual is known as health belief. So, how does this health belief is formed? This belief is formed by, firstly, the information is gathered from different sources. It may be through WhatsApp, Instagram, through newspaper or through any other source. And when the information is gathered, then we used to check it that whether the information which we have is correct or not. After thinking about that, only that if we found that the information which we are having is correct, then only we used to store it in our long-term memory. After storing it in our long-term memory, we used whenever it is needed, we use it for once and then twice, and it comes in our daily routine. And this is how our belief is formed. Let's take an example. Nowadays, there are many more patients of COVID-19 are seen. So, as we all know that during that time, there are many WhatsApp messages used to come. So, after looking at that, so one of the message which has come in my mobile was a kada. It was said that by drinking kada, our immunity level will be increased and we all will be prevented from that disease. So, after knowing that, I have called my friend who is doing BHMS and I asked her, and after asking him, I get to know that yeah, the kada is one of the best way to prevent from this disease. So after that, I used to make it once, twice, and then in regular routine, I used to make that. So this is how my immunity is being increased. So this is what happens whenever we get any information, then we used to act like that only, and it comes in our health belief. So now we know that what is health belief. After that, let's get proceeded into another thing. Health behavior is being classified into two. The first one is positive health behavior and the second one is negative health behavior. So let's meet Karan and Arjun. Karan will be shown in the right side of the screen, whereas Arjun will be shown in the left side of the screen. be classified into two. First one is positive health behavior and second one is negative health behavior. So as we have seen in the video that Karan is the one who used to take much more oily food, he used to drink alcohol, and he also doesn't follow the daily routine in a correct time. So it is a kind of negative health behavior. A negative health behavior is that behavior or that activity which used to endanger a person, and by which if a person used to do that activity daily and daily, then her health also become ill. So this is what happens. For example, few people used to smoke and drink. So this is how a person's attitude get changed, and he become ill. The second one is negative health behavior. As we have seen from the video that the Arjun is the second boy who used to eat daily good nutritious diet, and after that he used to do yoga and exercise also, and this is why if we will predict his health, then we will find out that he is much more healthier than other person and his immunity is much more increased. So this is what happens. Now let's talk about the history of health belief model. The health belief model was being introduced by Mr. Kursket, Mr. et al., Mr. Rosenstock in 1950. They were a group. This health belief model was discovered by a group of psychologists. Now the component of health belief model. The main three component of health belief model is first one is individual perception, second one is modifying factor, and third one is likelihood of action. So the first one, which was individual perception. Individual perception is the perception that a person is having according for his health. So for his health, or it may be for the disease also. In this individual perception, the first main heading which comes is the first main heading which comes is perceived susceptibility. Perceived susceptibility is the opinion of having a disease. For example, a mother is having breast cancer, then it is being perceived that there are many more chances that a girl would also have this disease or the breast cancer. The second one is perceived perceived seriousness. Perceived seriousness is that how danger a disease is. For example, few years back, it was seen that when a person coughed, then it is very normal thing. So people doesn't take it seriously. But nowadays, if a person coughed, then other people used to tell him that go for checkup. If he is having another more symptoms like breathlessness, for diagnosing the COVID-19. So this is what happened. Now the second main heading was modifying factor. In modifying factor, they are the factor which used to change or which used to modify a person's perception. So in modifying factor, the first one is demographic variable. So what is demographic variable? Demographic variable is the sex, age, ethnicity, race of a person. For example, we all know that if a child is ill, then he will not take khichdi, just because for him the taste is much more matters instead of health. The second one is socio-psychological factor. For example, in our community we used to see that there are many people who there are many people who are aware of COVID-19 and they used to wear masks. You know why? Just because to save themselves from COVID-19. This is what is happening in socio-psychological variable. It is seen that because of the pressure of society, people used to take major steps in order to prevent his life from any danger from any communicable or non-communicable diseases. After that, it comes is perceived threat. Perceived threat, a person gets threatened by knowing the susceptibility as well as by knowing the susceptibility and by knowing that how serious a disease is. So this is how he used to. This is how he used to take a disease according to it. And the thing or the people who get influenced by other person are through the mass media, through talking. This is known as cues of action. After that, the third main one is third main one is likelihood of action. In likelihood of action, two main things come. Uh, the first one is perceived benefit. If a person is perceiving that by doing several kind of activity, his health will be good and he will be living more longer life, then he used to do act according to it. And the second one is perceived barrier. Perceived barrier is the hindrance. A person wants to do something for his health, but he is not able to do it. Do you know why? Just because of socio-economic factor, he wants to go for checkup, but he doesn't go just because he don't have that much money. This is what happens. Now proceeding to further, we will know what are the factor which is affecting a person's health belief. So the factors are, first one is knowledge, biological factor, psychological factor, social factor, socio-economic factor and culture factor. Let's see it one by one. The first one is knowledge factor. If a person is having knowledge about the disease, that if he smoke, then it will result into lung cancer, then he will not do such kind of things. So the first one is knowledge factor. And the second one is biological factor. Biological factor consists of, there are certain people who are very deep by nature. Genes or just because of genes, and sometimes because of heredity, it get transferred from their parents to the child. And this is how a person's health belief get affected. Because if a person will be deep only, then he will not understand what is good for him as well as what is bad for him. Next one is psychological factor. Psychological factor is a person's mentality. There are several persons who used to think that whatever they think is only correct, and this is why they don't use to change themselves according to the situation it is having. But it is not always necessary that whatever you are thinking is only correct. Sometimes it is false also. So this is how a psychological factor also affect a person's health belief. The next one is social factor. Social factor is a group of people living together. We used to see them and they used to inspire us. For example, in my society, everyone is aware of COVID-19. So we used to see that everyone is wearing masks. So after looking them only, we used to get inspiration that yeah, if they are wearing masks, then why shouldn't I? So this is how a social factor also affects. Now the next one is socio-economic factor. A person knows very well that it is necessary to go for regular checkup, but he doesn't go just because of lack of money. Sometimes in villages also it is seen that people want to go for regular checkup, but they don't just because of lack of transport also. So this is how socio-economic factor also affects. Now the next one is culture factor. There are different food taboos. For example, in Hindu, it is seen that they doesn't eat meat and egg, and this is why their dietary habit and this is why their diet also get disturbed, and they have lack of vitamin A also just because of not taking food such as egg and all that. So this is all about my class. So let's conclude it. So today we have talked about health belief model. So health belief model, through this model, it is a psychological model first of all. It was discovered by a group of psychologists in 1950. They were Mr. Rosenstock, Mr. Ettel, Mr. Becker. And after that we have talked about that what is health belief model. It is a model through which we can predict a person's health, and then we have talked about according to the way he behaves. And then we have talked about the classification of health behavior. So it has been classified into positive health behavior as well as negative health behavior. And then we have talked about component. Component of health behavior was divided into three main parts. The first one was individual factor, individual perception, and then the second one was modifying factor, and the third one was likelihood of action. After that, we have talked about factors. So the factors were knowledge, biological factor, psychological factor, social factor, and then socio-economic factor, and the last one was cultural factor. That's all. Thank you and have a nice day. And if you are having any kind of query, then you can ask.